All Indians, all. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall move my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in the well-being and prosperity and on life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today GK question is brought to you by first question. Which is the strongest bone in human body? Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is femur. Second question. When APJ Abdul Kalam was born? Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is 15th October. Thank you.
Simply anything telling take the picture. Answer once again you can repeat.
And the answer is 15th October 1931. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Ajit Reddy. I am from Grade-VII. Here to telling about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who known as Baba Sahib. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was born on 14 April 1891. His full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar.
My name is B. Mahendra. I am studying in Cerulean. Here to give a short speech on APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. What is the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam? Yes, correct. Awol Pakir Jayuddin Abdul Kalam. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and statesman who received as the 11th President of India 2002 to 2007. Thank you.